In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a refund from Tradingview. If you've ever signed up for a Tradingview subscription and realized you need to request a refund, you're in the right place. Whether it's due to an accidental charge, a change of plans, or any other reason, the process to get your refund is straightforward if you follow the right steps. Tradingview offers an automated system to handle refund requests, but knowing exactly where to go and what details you'll need can save you time and frustration. So let's dive right in and walk through the process together. To get started, open your browser and navigate to the Tradingview website. You'll want to make sure you're on their official site, so type in www.tradingview.com. Once the page loads, log into the correct account associated with your subscription. This part is crucial because your refund request will need to be tied to the right account. If you accidentally log in with a different account, you might face delays or complications in the process. So double check and ensure you're using the right login credentials. Once you're logged in, take a look at the lower right-hand corner of the screen. You should see a chat icon. Depending on the version of the site you're using, this may appear as Chat Assistant or something similar. If you don't see it immediately, don't worry. You may need to scroll down a bit or minimize any pop-ups that could be blocking your view. Once you locate the chat icon, click on it to open the chat box. It might take a moment to load, so be patient as the system gets everything ready for you. Now, in the chat box, type the phrase, "I want to get a refund," and press enter. It's important to keep your message clear and straightforward here because the chat assistant is programmed to recognize simple requests. If you try to phrase it differently, the system might not understand. So it's best to stick with this direct approach. After you send your message, the assistant will likely show you some automated options. Look for a link or button labeled Refund Request or something similar. If it doesn't pop up right away, don't panic. You can try rephrasing your request or waiting for a moment while the system generates additional prompts. The key here is to stay patient and let the assistant guide you to the right option. Before you move forward, it's a good idea to gather some important details that you'll need during the refund process. This includes the email address associated with your Tradingview account, the date of the payment you're requesting a refund for, the amount that was charged, and the reason for your refund request. Having this information ready in advance will make the process much smoother and help avoid unnecessary back-and-forth communication. As the chat assistant prompts you, provide these details one by one. For example, when asked, you'll share the email tied to your account, the exact date of the payment, and so on. Be as accurate as possible to ensure your request is processed without delays. Now keep in mind that the assistant may ask additional questions to verify your identity and confirm your request. This is just a security measure to protect your account, so follow the instructions carefully. Once you've provided all the required details, follow the assistant's prompts to complete and submit your refund request. The system will guide you step by step, so just stay attentive to the instructions on your screen. After you've submitted the form, your refund request will be sent for processing. Now, the next step is to wait for an email update from Tradingview. They'll notify you about the status of your refund application, so keep an eye on your inbox. Refunds typically take a few days to process, so don't worry if you don't hear back immediately. Give it some time and check your spam or junk folder just in case the email doesn't land in your primary inbox. If you happen to encounter any issues during the process, don't give up. You can always retry using the chat assistant or reach out to Tradingview's support team directly for further assistance. They're there to help, and persistence usually pays off in resolving any challenges. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.